it's running. Line up. Ooh.
Feel that weight.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah. Feel that weight.
He got stuck in the weeds.
Oh, you got it.
No, I don't.
Keep that tension.
All right. All right, give me the...
That's a beautiful weed. Gosh, look at that sucker. Look at that. Nice green foliage. Yeah.
All right.
Beautiful.
Nothing. It's not running. I'm just going to let it sit for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Could be a calico the way that it's with the line. The way that it's dragging it can't. Its mouth or something. Alright, I had enough waiting. Put some line out. Feel anything. Could be a pickerel. I don't know what's playing with it, but I want this fish. And he's still alive.
Wow.
Okay. One, two. Oh man.
Oh yeah, you got it.
No, I gotta get him. He ate it and took off. Ugh. It's been a trend all day. Damn fish. Been doing this all day. It's not running. Probably not there. Let's see. Oh, I got him.
Oh, you got him?
Yeah. Woo! Oh, that's a nice bass.
Oh, look at that little football.
Finally.
Cow. Look at that football.
Got the sucker.